canvas wherein a masterpiece is made. This has the ability to shock and awe the audience with its creative execution. Today, the skills and mastery of our makeup artists will be put to the test. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the culmination activity of the makeup class of the University of St. Lassalle's IMI Bacolod Workshops. Of course, this is spearheaded by their instructor, the one and only, the ever-sexy Mr. Carlos Durana. Let's give him a big round of applause, please. Today, ladies and gentlemen, 12 artists will be competing in 3 categories: the fantasy makeup, prosthetics, and the ever-in-demand bridal makeup. And at the end of our program, we will also be awarding the best, or should I say, the Cara Artist of the Year. Having said that, let's not keep you waiting. Let's welcome our models in their fantasy makeup. almost in their fantasy makeup. Boy, do we all feel enchanted. Before we proceed to our next category, we would like to take this opportunity, of course, to recognize our judges for today. Our first judge is a Negros-based fashion designer. He is a very passionate and generous patron of Bakara ever since for how many years? Let's give it up for our first judge. A big round of applause to Mr. Edwin Benitez. Our second judge is a multimedia artist who specializes in installation artwork. He is also the workshop director of the BAcolod Workshops. A round of applause to Mr. Manny Montilibano. Our third, and of course certainly not the least, judge is of course a very, very good friend of mine in the workshops. She is a Manila-based production manager turned documentary filmmaker. Let's give it up for Miss Candy Nagrampa. Miss Nagrampa, Mr. Benitez, and Mr. Montilibano, welcome to SM Supermalls. We've got it all for you. Anyway, moving on, we would also like to share to you our criteria for judging. 10% will go on to the creativity and originality. Another 10% will proceed to our, how should I say, delivery and performance, and another 10% is the overall impact, for a total of 30%. We would like to inform everyone that this event will only constitute 30% of their total score. The 70% will be based from their school or classroom performance, for preparation, mastery, delivery, and technique. Having said that,